A serene forest with towering trees, light filtering through the leaves. In the heart of the forest, towering trees stand in silence. But if you listen closely, you can hear them whisper. Close-up of the leaves rustling in the wind. Every breeze carries secrets, ancient stories of the earth, tales of civilizations long forgotten. Birds flying between the trees, animals moving through the forest. These trees have stood for centuries, watching over life below, protecting the earth beneath their roots. Sunset through the forest canopy, trees bathed in golden light. Every whisper is a reminder. The trees, the forest, and the earth itself, holding stories of time and life, ever present, ever eternal. Thanks for watching.